Today I'm going to teach you how to flip an image horizontally in Adobe Express. This is a handy feature when you need to mirror a photo for design purposes or create a specific visual effect. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Adobe Express homepage where you can begin working on your design project. Now look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. From the options that appear, select Custom Size, which allows you to define the dimensions of your project. Once you've set your preferred dimensions, click Create New File. Alternatively, if you already have an existing project you'd like to work with, you can simply select that instead to open it up. With your project now open, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface. Here you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon, and from the menu that appears, select Media. This is where you'll be able to access images and other visual elements to add to your design. Next, navigate to the upper left panel and click on Photos. This section gives you access to Adobe Express's extensive library of stock photos and images. You can either search for a specific photo by typing keywords into the search field, or you can browse through the preloaded photos available in the left panel. Take a moment to find an image that suits your project needs. Once you've found the photo you want to use, click on it to add it to your canvas. With the photo now selected, navigate to the left sidebar and look for an option labeled Position. Click on Position to reveal the transformation tools available for your image. Finally, you'll see an option that says Flip H. Click on Flip H, and your image will instantly flip horizontally, creating a mirror effect. This simple tool allows you to reverse the orientation of your photo without any complicated steps. And there you have it. You've successfully flipped an image horizontally in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.